stand tall, don't crawl through the clay. But I drifted off, took the long damn way, and now his voice gets lost in the grind of the day. He's gone now, just a name on a stone, but I still chase him when I'm drinking alone. My kids run wild in a world gone gray, and I just sit here watching time dripping away, dripping away like a creek gone dry. Ain't no map when the stars won't guide. From their hopes to the debts I pay, it's all just time dripping away. I used to dream they'd get more than me, but now the world burns on a big screen feed. More flags folded, more locked doors, and I can't tell what we're fighting for. I pray they grow with roots, not rage, but the ground feels thin in this rattling age. My hands can't shield what I can't unmake, so I hold them close while time drips away, dripping away like a creek gone dry. Ain't no map when the stars won't guide. From their hopes to the debts I pay, it's all just time dripping away. My granddad fought for land and name. My old man built what the banks now claim. I raised these kids with more bills than days, trying to buy them peace I can't repay. Time don't knock, she breaks right in, takes what's left, then starts again. I hold 'em close, come what may, while the